Earth has many manifestations. Most of the times it's going smooth. Sometimes can be hostile. When it gets hostile, it is known to bring about a catastrophe that would wreak havoc to a country or a region. A very good morning to one and all. My topic for today is disaster management. We cannot stop disasters from its occurrence, but we can always stay prepared and curb the effects by proper management in order to reduce the loss of lives and assets. The management of disasters can be distinguished on three bases. The first is the pre-disaster management. It includes the development of information technology, assessment of disaster, and issuance of the warning to the people through radio and media. Then comes the management during the disasters. It depends on the swift action and the coordination of the victims during the time of the calamity and safely transporting them to the safety shelters. Later comes the post-disaster management, which includes the reconstruction and the redevelopment of the affected areas. Also, the affected people are being provided with rehabilitation, employment and compensation to help them to get back to their feet. So now the question is India prepared to deal with the natural disasters? The answer to the question to a very large extent is yes. India presented a practical approach and a roadmap with the launch of the Global Coalition for the Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. It is meant to provide the member countries with the technical support, capacity development, knowledge management and the partnership to encourage investments. IMD is to launch a dynamic impact-based cyclone warning system aiming at minimizing the economic losses. The NDMA took up a project named the Cyclone Risk Mitigation Project, in which a web-based dynamic composite risk atlas would be developed. Odisha, an eastern state, has not only proven its strategies to India but even to the world and bagged the Scotch Award. Also, the Indian Armed Forces play a major role for the conduction of the rescue operations. So lastly, concluding, the fact lies in stating that we must all be prepared to survive the current and the forthcoming disasters. We cannot rule the nature, but at least we can be watchful and vigilant. Thank you.